Am I the only one who's seeing like wearing versus styling every time I open my social media platforms? I don't have TikTok, but every time I open like Instagram or YouTube or whatever, right? I see someone who's like, I'm wearing something here, but now I'm styling it and then it looks 100% better. I think anyone can wear a jeans and a t-shirt type outfit, but the accessories and the like oomph you add to it is what makes the outfit, and that is where we can play around and kind of express our personal style, right? Which is a topic that's very close to my heart. So today we're going to talk about wearing versus styling. I am essentially trying to elevate outfits through accessories or like add-ons to outfits. So let's talk through some of my favorite ways to elevate my outfits. Let's start with the kind of most Siedler aesthetic thing of them all, which is a sweater draped over our shoulders. I think this is such an easy and impactful way to upgrade any outfit. It's one of those, you already have sweaters in your wardrobe, you don't have to buy anything new, you just take whatever sweater is in your wardrobe, you drape it over your shoulders, and your outfit looks at least 50% more elevated, in my opinion. I think it looks intentional. I think it's something that kind of adds a polished touch, if that makes sense, to your outfit, especially when you bring in like a sweater that's giving a little bit of a matchy matchy vibe. Oh my gosh, 100%, literally. I think a sweater draped across your shoulders, it's giving chic, it's giving functional, it's giving effortlessly elegant, it's giving wine mom, if you will. And obviously it also feels like you're wearing a blanket, so it feels safe and cozy. Like, need I say more? Just wear your sweaters over your shoulders, tie them in a little cute knot, or just let the kind of sleeves drape. And you have, for one, like you can wear the sweater in case you get cold, and two, it just looks intentional and chic. Obsessed. Next up are sunglasses. Sunglasses are not for sunny days. Sunglasses are for every day. Sunglasses are a lifestyle. Sunglasses are a mood and a half. Sunglasses, just wear sunglasses every day is essentially what I'm trying to say. I think sunglasses can elevate your appearance hugely, like literally. I feel like an outfit without sunglasses is okay, but an outfit with sunglasses, even though it's just a simple thing, like even if you have them like on the top of your head, you have them like on your actual face, like it doesn't matter. Just wear sunglasses with everything. Okay, maybe not in the dead of winter when it's literally black outside, even though I do that, right? I think sunglasses, I need to bring a pair of sunglasses just for reference. Okay, so my favorite sunglasses currently are these Saint Laurent sunglasses. I just plop them on my head, do a little bit of this with my hair, and now, do I not look even more fabulous? Like, you can say no, it's fine, but I'm not gonna listen, because I mean, sunglasses are just, they're just a mood and a half. I think a sunglass is always a good idea. Dare I say that sunglasses are almost better when it's not sunny, because then it's like, oh my gosh, who is she? And that's always a slay. My third point, something matchy matchy. I think when you're wearing something that intentionally is matchy matchy, it just looks like a great outfit. I think, okay, controversial opinion, I don't think you need to like match your handbag and your shoes. Matching your handbags and your shoes, I mean, that is fine. But to me, I feel like you need 3 pieces to match. I know this sounds a little bit specific, but it just makes sense in my head, okay? Like, it doesn't have to be like big pieces. It can be like a handbag, a sweater draped over your shoulders has a little detail, and then a little like bracelet or watch or whatever, right? Something that matches. A matchy matchy vibe looks intentional, it looks polished, it looks chic, it looks elevated. Something that I've worn a lot this summer is my Hermes click gauge bracelet in red, my Cartier bag, and my little Holbrook Sweden sweater draped over my shoulders. They're just in the same color family. I'll bring them in for you. My Holbrook Sweden sweater obviously has a navy blue base, but it has a red and a white stripe. Now, the color we're picking up is red, because here we have the red Hermes click gauge bracelet. This one I've had for literally eons. Same with the sweater. This one is a new addition to my closet, and just bringing these 3 in. Look at that vibe. This has been my uniform this summer. It's giving matchy matchy. It's giving wine mom. It's giving coastal. It's just a mood, right? You don't only have to have neutral bags. I think having bags that are not neutral is a gift. It's a blessing. I have made a little concerted effort to add more bags in colors. Sure, I'm careful with what colors I add, right? Because I don't want my wardrobe to be just a cluttered space, right? I want my items to have a plan, to have a color scheme. Some colors that are in my color scheme are obviously that Cartier red, it's navy blue, clearly, and it's green, clearly. Because I've added a little navy blue bag. I do have a little Saint Laurent velvet green bag, which I bring out every holiday season because it's just giving cozy and chic. I also have borrowed a little Bulgari bag from my mom. Would this not go so well with my outfit today? I personally think so. Just having some bags in core colors for your wardrobes, matching them with items like a sweater draped over your shoulder, or maybe a shoe, or maybe a scarf, or like an earring, or a ring, or like a watch, or whatever, right? Having that matchy matchy component in your outfits, I think elevates it. It pumps it up 2 notches. It gives you 10 points, right? And I think it's just a good outfit day when you have something matchy matchy in your outfit. And I want to hone in on that last point, because something that I think is key to elevating your outfits is arm candy. This is an old term. This is a term that we don't use anymore, but dare I say we should bring it back. Arm candy is key. I feel like if I leave my house without something clunky on my arms, I'm not having a good day. I adore like a statement jewelry vibe, right? I mean, this, you know from seeing like my Hermes Click H bracelets that I have in a bunch of different colors. I match them with my outfits and I'm just having a good time. I feel like I'm back in the Polly Pocket days, just collecting little cute things and just, I don't know, playing with them. It's just giving life to my life. The arm candy that I'm sporting today, obviously, is an Hermes Click H bracelet. I wish I had a gold and emerald green Hermes Click H bracelet, but I don't just yet. I'm scouring the pre-loved websites to see if there are some that's popping up, but just bringing in the gold with the gold, I feel like it's a vibe. On my other arm, I have this fabulous watch. This watch is a Pascal Watch. When Pascal reached out to me and asked if I wanted to test their watches, I started browsing their website and I was like, oh my gosh, these will be such great staples to elevate my outfits. Now, you know me, I adore a little oomph. I adore a little kind of pop vibe in terms of my jewelry, right? So when I saw this watch, I'm like, the little lab-grown emeralds and the little like lab-grown diamonds in the center of the watch with the kind of malachite center to it, I just feel is magnificent. It has this gorgeous green strap to it as well that I picked out as an extra. It comes with a black strap, but I think when talking about matchy matchy vibes, I feel like the more matchy matchy, the better, until a certain point, and then it becomes a little bit too much. But, you know, treading that balance of almost too much matchy matchy, I feel like it elevates your outfit and it makes it look interesting and cool and something that you put together intentionally for yourself, right? Which I think is always 100%. Like I said, I got this Pascal watch gifted to me, for full disclosure. I've worn them for the past few weeks and I'm just obsessed. They come in this fabulous little packaging, which naturally matches my outfit today. So cute. I got to pick out 2 Pascal watches. One of them was this green one, obviously, that I feel like it's just, like I said, it's just stunning. I feel like it's one of those evening watches that just elevates an outfit fabulously. You all know that I wear navy blue a lot. So when I saw this watch, I felt like this is like the perfect little day-to-day casual blue watch that just elevates your outfit with that little lab-grown diamond sparkle. Similarly, this comes with a black strap. I feel like though, adding that blue bracelet really makes it pop and it makes it look chic and kind of, you know, it makes it look intentional and, dare I say, a lot more expensive than it is. It has that kind of blue bracelet, right, matched with the blue pointers and the blue Pascal writing, and I just think this is gorgeous, and it's one of those watches that just elevates the outfit. I adore the little kind of oval shape because I feel like an oval shape of a watch, it's a little bit unexpected and it gives a little bit, I don't know, oomph to the watch vibe. When you order with Pascal, you get a little book about how the watch works, and like how you set it, like how you should take care of it, how you should service it and stuff like that. It has Swiss movement, right, in terms of a quartz movement, so you will have to switch out the battery and stuff, but you also have the warranty that you get in this little card thingy. You get a little stunning green box, just like this one. I got one box for each watch and then a little bag. So sweet. I think this would make for a gorgeous gift because this just looks like a luxurious package and a luxurious watch experience, right? And this, I get that this is a high octane watch, right? But I think in terms of elevating outfits, having some of those high octane accessories, I feel like it's a great asset to have in your wardrobe. Like I said, I've worn these for the past few weeks and so far so good. I've been super happy with them. They're keeping time brilliantly. I see now that I've set one for like a minute earlier and one for a minute later, but that's my fault. That's not Pascal's fault, but these watches, so gorgeous. I'm so happy to have them. The price of them, dare I say, is affordable compared to other watch brands, right, that you can see in the market, and especially considering the gorgeous designs of these. Now, of course, I have a discount code for you, which is Amanda20. That obviously gives you 20% off all the Pascal watches on their website, so not only these. So do go check these out if you also want to try a little matchy matchy watch vibe in terms of an affordable and gorgeous looking watch. I'm honestly so obsessed with these, and I've been elevating my outfits with these for the past few weeks and super happy with them. I'll keep you posted, obviously, on the quality of these as we go on, but so far so good, and since it has Swiss movement, I feel like you cannot go wrong with Swiss movement when it comes to watches, right? So brilliant, stunning. Now, my final point. This is something that we've briefly discussed, but I want to go into more detail. And we're talking about an interesting bag. Right. You all know I adore handbags. I collect handbags. I'm a handbag aficionado, if you will. An aficionado. English. Who is she? We don't know her, like always. But essentially, an interesting bag. I adore handbags, clearly, but this does not have to be limited to handbags. This can be an interesting tote bag that you bring your groceries in. This could be an interesting piece of luggage that you travel with. This can be an interesting, like, briefcase that you have your laptop in, or a backpack for your, like, day-to-day, like, commuting to work. I feel like having one of those high-quality, good pieces of bag, right? Good piece of bag. It's stunning. A nice bag can really bring your outfit to the next level with minimum effort, right? Because you've already put together your ensemble of clothing that you're wearing, then just putting on that bag, right? That you've curated for your style perfectly and that you just enjoy wearing every day and that is practical for your lifestyle and that just looks like it's your bag. I think that's just fabulous. I find that making that bag that you carry every day is something that you actually look forward to wearing and that actually kind of matches your vibe and aesthetic, right, if you will. I think that's such a great investment in your personal style. I don't think you have to buy an expensive bag for that purpose. I think instead of just kind of grabbing whatever tote bag or grabbing whatever briefcase that is closest to you in the store when you're there, right? Just have a little think about it. Like, what bag would elevate my outfit when I wear it every day? Obviously, it has to be something that's versatile. It has to be something that's practical. It has to be something that you're happy to carry through thick and thin, right? Whether it's a sunny, gorgeous day or it's a rainy day, or it's like, it's just that grab and go everyday type of wear bag that just works for you and you don't have to work for the bag. I think that's key, because those pieces, like, it will bring you joy every time you wear them. Sure, it takes a little bit of thinking, right? It requires brain power to pick out that bag, but when you find it, it's just perfect. It's brilliant. For me, that has been my trusty and oh so dusty Celine Triumph tote. This tote is something that I found pre-loved on Vestiaire Collective like a couple of years ago now, and it's just serving me through all different types of occasions. It has all the colors that I want a handbag to possibly have. It has gray, it has black, it has brown, it has navy blue, and it's just one that you can fling over your shoulder. One thing, the shoulder strap is a little bit small, so when I wear like normal things, it works perfectly. When I wear a chunky coat, I have to carry in the crook of my arm, which honestly is what I do most of the times anyway, because I find carrying something like this in the crook of my arm, sure, it doesn't look super chic, but it's just the most comfortable way for me to carry it, because I have back issues. Like, my shoulders, they hurt from just, I don't know, breathing. But that's just me because I'm old. So it's just a big black hole of memories, possibilities, opportunities, and vibes, essentially. I fit everything in here. It has a little pocket for any kind of secret things you want to keep. It has a little kind of, I don't know, slide pocket here for my tissues when my nose gets a little bit runny when it's windy and cold. And it's just a vibe. Honestly, like, when you find that great piece of handbag that you can just fling over your shoulder and walk happily to work or the coffee shop or wherever you're doing what you do to be productive in this world, it's just brilliant. One thing, whoa, I'm sorry for hitting you with this fabulous bag. Something that I also find that elevates my outfits, similarly on the same topic, right? A good quality handbag that has personalization. Oh my gosh, I was gifted this handbag a while ago from Oleata. It has my initials on it. I'm just a sucker for anything personalized, honestly. So when I wear this, I feel like fabulous. I don't know why. Like, every time I see my little initials, I'm like, hee, I'm Amanda Siedler. I know it's stupid. I know it's a minor detail, but stuff that you can get personalized, I also find elevates your outfit. Like, a while ago, like on Pinterest, I saw all of these like button-up shirts that people had monogrammed with their initials like on the sleeve. I'm like, oh my gosh, I want to be that fabulous. I've not gotten there yet. I low-key want to. Like, can you imagine every single button-up of yours that is like one of those 100% pieces has your initials? Excuse you, are you the queen? Like, that's what I want for my life. Like, for my future perfect wardrobe, every single piece will have my initials on it. Or like Blair had in Gossip Girl, like a little heart. Oh my gosh, obsessed. Wearing your heart on your sleeve. Stunning. But this bag is the Oleata Marina bag. It fits my laptop. It's one of those brilliant, like this one I fling over my shoulder. And I just walk happily to work with my little initials so that people can see how cool I am. I am obsessed with this. This is a brilliant quality bag. It's an all leather bag. And it's just it's just chic and cute. Shoot. Who is she? We don't know. Honestly, I think all of these ways can be styled in one outfit together without looking weird. I think it just brings oomph to your outfits. So just layer on all of the fun accessories and you will look like the most fabulous girly on the streets. I promise. Guys, what's your favorite way to elevate your outfits? I would love to know. Please, let's have a chat about it in the comments. Thank you so much for spending this time and space with me today. If you've not had enough of me just yet, then I'll link another video right here in case you've not already seen it. If you like this chat with me, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you back here with a new video next Sunday at 3 p.m. Swedish time. And until then, stay safe, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.